Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.